Hello, boys and girls. This will be week 15, day 3 of 180 days of reading for 4th grade. It says, what is your favorite sandwich? Is it peanut butter and jelly? Is it grilled cheese? Maybe you prefer turkey sandwiches. Sandwiches are popular all over the world. Many tasty sandwiches come from different countries. A gyro is a Greek sandwich. It is made with pita bread. The pita is filled with beef, lamb, or chicken. It also has lettuce, onion, and tomato. Some people also put sauce on their gyros. A torta is a Mexican sandwich. A torta is like a sub. Tortas are made with crusty white rolls. The rolls are filled with meat or fish. They can also have lettuce, beans, tomato, cheese, and avocado. Many people like to put sauce on their tortas. Number 1. Which title best fits the text? A. Let's make a gyro. B. The story of Mexico. C. Bread all over the world. Bread from all over. And D. Sandwiches around the world. Number 2. Many tasty sandwiches come from different countries is which part of the text? A. The title. B. The topic sentence. C. The setting. Or D. The tone. Number 3. Which words have the same suffix? A. Grilled and crusty. B. Filled and sandwiches. C. Grilled and filled. Or D. Filled and gyros. And remember that a suffix is an ending, the ending part of the word. And number 4, which is an antonym of crusty? Antonyms are words that are opposites. So which is an antonym of crusty? Is it A. Soft, B. Crisp, C. Long, or D. Sour? And number 5, which best describes the tone of this text? Is it A. Excited, B. Informative, C. Indifferent, or D. Defensive? That's it for day 3.